All right, let's take a look at synthetic division. So we can do that for both of these. Remember, synthetic division you can do if your factor is x minus c. Okay, in which case then you just take it and solve. So you just c, and that's what you're dividing by. So in this case, I've got x plus 6, set it to 0. Okay, I'm dividing by -6 here. So I put that in my division pants. Okay, this is in descending order. This is x squared. This is x to the first. That's by itself. So our coefficients are 1, 11, and 30. And then we're going to bring down our first term, 1, and then I'm going to multiply, and I'm going to put that term right here. So 1 times -6 is -6. Then I'm going to subtract 11 minus 6 is 5. And then I'm going to repeat 5 times -6, -30, 30 minus 30, 0. Okay, now what do I do with this? Okay, I'm going to go 1 degree down. So all I'm doing is reducing by 1 degree when I do synthetic division. So this started with an x squared. So this is an x to the first, and then that's a coefficient, and then that is your remainder, which in this case is just 0. So our answer is just x plus 5. And then if you had to put the remainder, okay, because sometimes on the computer they will ask you to put the remainder even if there is none. Okay, you would say remainder, and then there's a blank. You would just enter that in. So you would put a 0 there, and it's over what you divided by, x plus 6. All right, your next one, you have x plus 3. So if we did that, we would go x plus 3 equals 0. Let me get a different color here, purple. And that would give you a -3. So we're going to house the -3. And this goes from x to the 4th to x squared. So we are missing an x cubed term. So we're going to use 0x cubed to fill that in right there. And then I go x squared, x to the first, coefficient. So I'm going to go 1x to the 4th, 0x cubed, 5x squared, 10x, -6. I'm going to draw my line, bring down the 1. 1 times -3 is -3. 0 minus 3 is -3. -3 times -3 is +9. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 times -3 is something I don't know off the top of my head, but probably should. -42. And then 10 minus 42 is -32. And -32 times -3 is 96. And -6 plus 96 is +90. So in this case, we do have a remainder. So let me go up here. Whoops, too far. There we go. Okay, so we went 1 degree down from x to the 4th. So we'll start with an x cubed. So this is a 1x cubed, so just x cubed, minus 3x squared, plus 14x to the first, minus 32, and then we have a remainder, so we say plus 90 over, what do we divide by, x plus 3. And that's our solution.